Hello to you. Today we will talk about cough manners. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue while coughing and sneezing. If you do not have a tissue, use your elbow to cover mouth and nose. Dispose of the tissue properly after using it. Wash your hands with soap and water. If you are coughing or are sneezing, wear a mask. Do not cough at a public place. Do not use your hands to cover your mouth while coughing. Take your appointment with Dr. Shaheen Fatima through OLADOCOR Maram. Thank you for your patience listening.